Hi everyone, this is Merly and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what is growing in my garden on my last frost day. First off, we have this beautiful bed of daffodils and tulips. And then these are my fall garlic. In here we have the strawberries, and we have a bunch of flowers already in the strawberry plants. This is my bed of peas, and the peas that I have seeded a couple of weeks ago have sprouted already. They're still small though, but that's gonna grow quick. We have some more right here. Now these are the transplants. These are herbs. We have some thyme and oregano. And then in here, these are my spring garlic. Moving on, we have 6 baskets of potatoes. I tell you guys, you should plant potatoes. If you have no room in the ground, plant your potatoes in buckets, in pots, in laundry baskets. This one is my planter that also has herbs. These are oregano, sage, more sage, and some thyme. Over here we have some more strawberries. These are the strawberries that were left of my strawberry tower that I need to rebuild. This is full of weeds right now, but this one is grape and I still need to clean around this one. You see this bud? The grapes are budding, so that is a good thing. Let's pull this so you can see what's on here. Oh, yeah, look at that. Grape is coming back to life. Awesome. This is my second grape plant, and it's not very crowded in here. So as you can see, that bud is new life in this plant. Here you go, guys. So this is what the grape plant looks like when it starts waking up. Here in a few days, we should have more leaves. And now we have this raised bed of onions. This one has the white onions and some red onions. Let's zoom into that. Look how beautiful that is. I mulched this bed yesterday with some dry leaves. That's really amazing, guys. This here is my Gala Apple. And check this out. My apple tree has flowers. Beautiful flowers. Gala Apple is one of my favorite apples. Here's more flowers. Let's move on to the next plant. This one right here is yellow delicious apple. We have a bunch of leaves also. And this one's really tall. And we have another one right here. Super amazing plant. another apple tree, and this one is my Honeycrisp Apple. No flowers, but lots and lots of leaves. Over here we have some hostas. A lot of hostas plants growing here. And this big plant right here, this is my blue hydrangea that's coming back to life. The gladiolus is looking great. Now these ones in here are bigger than the ones in this pot. These are different varieties. Here we have some more herbs, rosemary, and some mint. So I have started hardening off my sweet potatoes. They are looking good, and today is their third day to be outside the house. And because we don't have very low temperatures anymore in my neck of the woods, I don't take them inside the house anymore. I just put them in my carport. And going back to where we started, let's take another look at these beautiful tulips. I hope you enjoyed this little tour, and I'll see you again in my next video. Don't forget to like and share.